Alright, so when we get to a hip and ridge intersection with our cottage cap, do the following steps. Find my hip line here, go ahead and notch that one, install as normal, fasten inside, 1.5 inches up. Then we're going to go ahead and take our caulking, go ahead and caulk along this one. Then we'll find my miter line and go ahead and notch that cap so it fits nice and tight, just like so. And then we'll fasten that one as well. Then we're going to go ahead and caulk our ends here. Then we can come back with our first ridge piece and go ahead and notch it and fold that down. So it fits nice and tight here. And then we'll fasten on either side. Just like so. Alright, so when we get to a ridge with 2 rakes, you got a couple options. You'll see some guys go ahead and just fold down a cap like so and fit over the top and cut the miter to match your miter line of your fascia. That's one option. Another option is just kind of come over the top of it. So you'll have to cut your miter out of your rake channels to make sure it's nice and straight. Apply my barrier foam and then come over the top, just overhanging it like so. Then I can go ahead and use my stitch screws. Put a couple fasteners down through the rake channel. Hold that in place. And then we can continue doing our ridge panels. Alright, so when we get ready to do our cottage cap on our ridge, cut our panels tight to the ridge line, grab my barrier foam, place that on top of the panels, and then we're going to go ahead and bring our cap up, and then we're going to fasten 1.5 inches in from the edge on either side. And you can just see the next cap, put it right on top, 1.5 inches on either side. Go ahead and keep fastening along the ridge line.